Welcome back to my channel!
Pagkain dito, yan o. Tsaka walang langaw. Malinis. Freshly cooked. From Armenia, and another check-in here in what hotel is this again? Hotel Marlin in Old Town, Tbilisi, Georgia. Third floor. Look at the view. Yan ang view. Yan ang Liberty Square, kita lang. Then the bar downstairs. Same view sa previous room. But next floor siya upward. White wine for 9 larian. Sarap din ah. Sa may siopaw at sa dito sa Georgia, King Kali. Tawag dito King Kali Delicacy. Together with bread, wine.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching.